in the basement, and I was looking around, and as you see over there in that corner, I got a little nook. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a bookcase in that little nook. So, let's see. I need to go to the hardware store and pick up some lumber. Okay, you can probably guess where I am. What I'm gonna do really quick is to give you a quick education on the material. So what I'm looking for right now is considered hobby wood. This later as we start constructing the shelves. But in order to kind of build the outer shell, what we're going to use is this pine wood. Really affordable. Okay, just got back from Home Depot. I actually brought 4 pieces of pine. 2 pieces, again, 8 foot by 1 foot. Another piece that's 6 feet by 1, and then another piece that's 4 feet by 1 feet wide. And frame. I also bought a few pieces of MDF, the white pieces. We're going to use that actually to build a bookcase that's going to kind of go. Okay, I got my pieces, my side pieces cut. 89 1/4, and so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use this little device right here and my drill bit, and I'm gonna drill some angle holes into the wood so I can actually attach the side pieces to the top. So I'll drill 2 holes there. I'll slide it open, drill 2 more on that piece. So I'll show you shortly how it looks. Okay, I'm finished. So you can kind of see how the clamp goes on and how the drill is actually inserted inside that small apparatus. So back the drill up just to kind of show you how long the drill bit is. And so these are angle holes. And so what I'll do is take this screw and it'll kind of go inside there and drill up into the perpendicular piece. So I'll just kind of show you what it looks like when I'm finished. All right, what up? Quick update. So what I did was actually I took the frame down. That's what you see here, the outer frame. That's gonna actually go back inside the door. All right, the sheet you see right here is actually the back of the bookcase. That's the front edge. All right, I've been putting some work in the lab. You can see my chop saw. Still working in the lab, all my tools on the table, my drill, compressor. All right, so let's get to the project. We're getting there, we're almost complete. Kind of see what the Murphy door looks like. Threw a couple of shelves on there, put the back on there. I put the molding up around the outside edges of the door, put a piece of quarter round down at the bottom. I added an additional shelf. And just to kind of show you, and so up here what I'm gonna do, I wasn't sure at first, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and sheetrock that off. Okay, so you see we've taken the door and we've built our bookcase. But what I want to show you is there's a surprise behind what I built. It looks like initially I just kind of took the bookcase and built it in front of the door, but that wouldn't make any sense, right? So here's the big surprise. Pull here, nothing happens. Pull here, nothing happens. Pull here, voila, a Murphy door. you guys sticking through this project. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. But Murphy door is complete.